I'm Michael
Okay.
Jackson.
Wait, are we ready to go?
I'm ready.
Hunkers. What do you have in your hand?
Um,
Why? Why can't we just get this scene? Why?
Today I'm dropping a new album called I Can't See.
Okay, let's get the scene for real. We gotta try this time. No, stop. Okay. From the Do To. Okay.
You're not even looking at us. There we go.
Yes, I am. Okay, let's do this. Okay, you ready? Action.
Due to recent urgent complaints
In the game.
Due to recent and urgent complaints filed by civilians of Xavier. Due to recent and urgent complaints filed by citizens of Oxford, the military is getting ready to intercept what appears to be hostile aircraft. I have Sergeant Will Hunkers on location with me. What do you think of what's happening right now?
Well, it looks to be from the UK, like some sort of British Air Force. I'd say from the look of it on the videos. If worst comes to worst, we'll have to either evacuate the city and shoot the thing down. But right now, we're hoping we can get them to comply with an escort. Just keep your family in your homes, and we can take care of all of this.
Thank you, Sergeant Hunkers. Back to you, John. And also, thank you for this, Davy Crockett.
Well, at least we got it. We got it.
Oh yeah,
Yay,
I fucked up like 3 times and you guys didn't even notice.
Well, do you want to run back it one more time? Or run it back?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's run it back then.
No, no.
No, it's too late. Let's run it back.
Okay.
There's
No
blood.
brick rigs for you.
There's blood.
Oh, someone made dust in brick rigs.
Okay.